This is Ali, a woman with a dream to make a difference, who got the chance to join a program aimed at helping the poor. At her first meeting, she shared her ideas with excitement. She helped by donating, teaching, and giving her time to children in need. But as time passed, she started to feel like it still wasn't enough. Each time she presented new ideas, the enthusiasm seemed to fade. But she didn't stop. She continued volunteering, teaching kids and giving them hope. Then came a moment when doubt took over. All her efforts seemed to be going nowhere. Just as she thought change was coming, there she is, shocked to see that the people she helped are still on the streets.